Good morning, class. We start with a new lesson today. Lesson 10, Important Cities of India. Let us recall what we have learned so far. We have learned that India is our country. It is part of the continent of Asia. It is a very large country. In fact, it is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. But in terms of population, in terms of people, we are the second largest country. As all other countries, India also has many cities and many more villages. However, some cities are very big and very important for the country. There are four such important cities in the four directions of India. We call these cities as metropolitan cities or simply as metros. Towards the north, we have Delhi. Towards east, we have Kolkata. Towards south, we have Chennai. And towards the west, we have Mumbai. In this lesson, we are going to learn a little bit more about two cities, namely Delhi and Mumbai. Let us take Delhi first. Delhi is present in the northern part of India. It is the capital city of India. It is surrounded by the states of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Delhi and its surrounding regions are called as the National Capital Region of Delhi. Delhi is a very old city. It is believed to be the capital of the Pandavas and then it was known as Indraprastha. After that, it became the capital of many rulers, and lastly, it was the capital of the Mughal rulers of India. Delhi, being the capital city, has got many important places. It is where the Indian government is present, hence, the Prime Minister of India, the President of India also live in this city. We also have the Parliament House, wherein all the members of the Parliament do meetings. Delhi has many important monuments like the Red Fort, the Birla Temple, the Qutub Minar, the India Gate, the Lotus Temple, and the Jantar Mantar. Delhi is located on the banks of the river Yamuna, and it is very hot during the summer months and it is very cold during the winter months. Delhi is a very large city and is well connected to other cities through an international airport called as the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Being a large city, Delhi has a problem of pollution. That is why people are being encouraged to use less personal vehicles and CNG, which you studied earlier, compressed natural gas, is being encouraged to use in the vehicles. Let us move on to the second city, Mumbai. Though Delhi is the capital, Mumbai is the largest city of India. It is also called as the financial capital of India. In fact, Mumbai is the capital of the state of Maharashtra. Mumbai is located on the west coast of India. It faces the Arabian Sea. It's a very important city because it has got lots of offices. Many of the business heads and business offices are located in Mumbai. Mumbai has also got lot of places of tourist interest. Being near the sea, it has got beautiful beaches like the Juhu and the Chowpatty. The latest is the attractive the Bandra Worli Sea Link, a huge bridge which is built in the middle of the sea. Mumbai is very interesting city. Why? Because it is made up of 7 islands. And these are were then connected with the help of bridges and roads, and it came to be a very big city. Mumbai is so big that it can take hours for us to travel from one part of Mumbai to another. The lifeline of Mumbai are its local trains, which carry huge number of people every day from their houses to their places of work. Mumbai is a beautiful city with large number of temples and monuments. It also has got the Indian film industry called as the Bollywood. So these are the two main or important cities of India. I also have a few video recordings which I would like you to see to learn more about these cities. Hope you enjoyed the session. Have a good day.